Hey guys, my name is Juliet and I'm now a senior at Winthrop University. Since I've been going to Winthrop throughout my whole college career, I think I have a little bit of a better insight into the ins and outs of Winthrop University and really just their core values. And I've noticed a couple of unique characteristics of Winthrop that make them so different from other colleges, and I thought I'd share that with you today. So one of the things that I've noticed about Winthrop is their passion for academic success, and they're willing to go to the farthest extents to ensure that every one of their students is academically successful throughout their college career, and it's very, very encouraging and motivating. In fact, Winthrop University has so many different resources that I've found it's pretty hard to do bad academically at Winthrop because they have so many tutoring services and guidance counselors that will help you in your academic success. One of the resources that Winthrop provides that I've noticed really makes them different from other colleges is their Academic Success Center, or their ASC. The ASC Center provides its students with a variety of different services, including one-on-one consultations, tutoring for over 50 gen ed courses, midterm grade consultations, individual and group study spaces, personal assistance with academic questions and concerns, along with academic coaching and peer tutoring. The ASC Center also provides a variety of different workshops and seminars for things like note-taking, study strategies, time and stress management, test-taking, textbook reading, among many other things. Another really helpful resource for students at Winthrop is their Math Tutorial Center. The Math Tutorial Center, or MTC, is completely free and staffed by faculty and upper division mathematics majors. Winthrop University provides a writing center which helps students for free with writing help for papers, research assignments, stuff like that, and it's been very, very helpful for me personally throughout my college career. I really liked the Language Learning Center, which is Winthrop's approach to help aid students in foreign languages. The Language Learning Center, or LLC, is 100% free and open to all students and instructors affiliated with a language class here at Winthrop University. The Language Learning Center provides its students with a study room as well as a computer lab. At the Language Learning Center, highly qualified staff are always present to help students with any foreign language questions they may have. Staff members can also help students practice their foreign language oral skills. You can actually even book a librarian from the Winthrop Library, and that's really helpful when you have an assignment due and you need resources. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope I was able to better explain how exactly Winthrop goes above and beyond to ensure that every one of their students is academically successful.